Here's 3 questions that when I ask them to you, it's going to help you create everything that you want in your life, because the reason that we don't have everything that we want is simply our resistance to it. These 3 powerful questions are going to drop the resistance, and what you want is going to show up in your life way faster. Don't believe me? Just watch the video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into it. Number 1, are you focused on what you want or the absence of it? Are you focused on what you want or the absence of it? This is a question you can just ask yourself while you're driving in the car on the way to work, while you're sitting on the couch watching television, while you're in the shower, while you're on a walk, while you're eating dinner. Are you focused on what you want or the absence of it? Because what happens is we think we're focusing on what we want. We think we're using the law of attraction, but we're actually using the law of attraction to repel what we desire in our life because we're focused on the absence. So everything is really 2 things, the presence of it and the absence of it. More money, or lack of money. More money or lack of money. Lack of money would be, I wish I had more money, and I'm trying really hard, and why do they really need that Corvette? That's the absence of it. I'm working on this, but my bank account isn't growing. I mean, it's hard. You understand? This is hard. I've been working on this for 6 months. It takes a long time to retrain the brain and the subconscious mind. Be patient. Notice whether you're focused on the presence of it or the absence of what you want. Are you focused on the presence that there's so many amazing people out in the world, and there's 7 billion people, and every relationship you've had, even the ones that have turned out to be heartbreaking, have taught you valuable lessons, so you're grateful for them? Or are you focused on there's no good guys, there's no good guys, there's no good girls, there's no chance for me, it's not out there for me? Which one is going to help you attract what you want? So you gotta recognize that your focus is sending a vibrational signal. That vibrational signal is what moves the law of attraction in motion to attract what you want. How is your vibrational signal that creates the law of attraction to bring what you want? How does that happen? It happens from your focus. You're either focused on what you want or the absence. So ask yourself, am I focused on what I want or the absence of what I want? Number 2, can you see where what you want is already in your life? Can you see where what you want already exists? People get in this place where they're focused on how it's like your dream job doesn't exist, the money you want doesn't exist, your soulmate doesn't exist. And what I invite you to consider is it actually all already exists. Think about it. There's more money printed every single day. Your dream house already exists, and if it hasn't been built yet, the place on planet Earth where it will be built already exists. Your soulmate already exists. The health that you desire exists in the world. The clothes you want, the opportunity for your children to go to a better school, your nonprofit that you want to build that you haven't been able to build yet. It's all the opportunities out there already exist. So my question to you is, can you see how what you want already exists? Think about it for a minute. Just really think about that. So here's an example. I used to tell myself this when I was having trouble with building my YouTube channel at the beginning. And I would say, can I see how what I want of having hundreds of thousands and millions of YouTube subscribers already exists? Yes. My mind would say, no, I don't have any, because I don't have any YouTube subscribers. But my heart would say yes. Why? Because it's a second biggest search engine on the internet. There's billions of people on YouTube. There's tons of huge channels around personal development and law of attraction that are inspiring and helping millions of people. The people exist, they're out there. I just need to drop my resistance from the way that I'm focusing so that I can allow that into my experience to be an instrument to hopefully inspire, serve, and empower you. So ask yourself, can I see how what I want already exists? And if it's difficult, write it down on a piece of paper and write down how what I want already exists, and write all the reasons why what you want already exists. It's a change of focus, which changes your vibration, which changes what you attract into your life. And if that's crazy, if that's hard, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, and use that to retrain your subconscious mind, because any thoughts other than what you want already exist are simply resistance programmed from our culture that have infiltrated our subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind controls our whole life. And so we need to rewire that. So you can download that down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Ask yourself the simple question: can I see how what I want already exists? Number 3, can you let go of needing it? Can you let go of needing it? What does need create? Lack, limitation, scarcity, fear. I'm not going to be complete unless I have this thing. I won't be whole unless I have this thing. My life won't be worth living unless I have this thing. And what else does it do? It definitely doesn't attract people to us, right? When you really need a relationship and you're trying to, you're trying to build rapport with somebody you find attractive, they're repelled when you need it really, really bad. So can you give up needing it? Because when you give up needing it and you recognize that you're already one with it, you don't need this thing to show up, and you're already whole and complete and perfect, and life is abundant and beautiful and joyful, and you can go like this and smile for no reason just because you're alive, what happens? You move into a place of abundance. When you move into an energy, a vibration of abundance, you attract abundant things into your life, i.e. what you desire. Can you let go of needing it? Can you work hard for it? Can you show up for it? But can you let go of truly needing it for your life to be complete? And can you recognize in this moment that the fact that you're alive is a total miracle? It is a total miracle. It's totally epic that you're alive. And that alone makes life so cool and exciting. So, hope this speaks to you. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Talking about 3 questions that can change your life. Make sure that you go back through and ask yourself these questions. Download my free success hypnosis down below to retrain your subconscious mind for success, abundance, prosperity, and automatic things to show up in your life for the greater good of yourself and those around you. Be sure to press the subscribe button in the corner over there and hit the bell notifications. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notifications. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that, because that's what actually alerts you of the new videos. Just subscribing alone won't always do that. So please share this video with somebody that you love, care about, that you think would be inspired by this. We've got a lot of negativity in our world. I want to spread more positivity, and I want to, the mission of this channel is to help people take control. Take control of our minds, take control of our culture, take control of our lives, take control of our bank accounts. The quickest way to do that is to spread positivity and take control of our minds. So please share this video, comment where in the world you're coming from. I'm in Maui, love to know where you're from. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.